I'm here to tell you about the Magic Closer. It provides you peace of mind and comfort knowing that you haven't left your garage door open when you leave home. The Magic Closer can install in less than 5 minutes using an everyday household toolkit, simply by using the standard screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. To install the Magic Closer, simply take the flat blade screwdriver, gently pop out the plastic panel. This will work on any garage door closer panel. With the Phillips screwdriver and the existing and only Phillips screw that's available, take out the Phillips screw, gently lift up, turn around, and you'll expose the back of the garage door panel. You'll see two wires. Red is positive, solid color is negative. Using your Magic Closer, the two-wire solution, black is negative, red is positive, adjust the terminals. Using the same guide holes, simply find and reinstall the panel. Reinsert the Phillips screw. Reinstall the panel, simply bottom first, and carefully insert. The unit's powered, and now we install this on the wall at your desired location. After the unit's powered up, you've ensured it's working, take your flat screwdriver, mark on the wall for the desired location. It's okay to let the unit hang, and within the drywall, make the predetermined holes. And using the existing hardware that I've included in the kit, go ahead and install the Magic Closer. Go ahead and with the provided Phillips screws, attach it to the wall securely. After installing the device, make sure the light's blinking using the transmitter and the battery that's installed. Apply the transmitter on the door. We're almost done. The last portion is to put on the transmitter. Peel off the Velcro, place it up high on the door as high as you can. That way it allows you flexibility to not only close it when it's open, but allowing it to vent it and automatically close. Let's see how it works. So the Magic Closer's installed. Congratulations. It took you less than 2.5 minutes. Now you've got a sure, safe, easy way in case you ever leave your garage door open. The Magic Closer comes pre-factory set at the automatic 2-minute timer intervals. 1 beep represents 2 minutes, 2 beeps, 5 minutes, all the way up to 8 beeps, which is actually up to 3 hours. Right now, we're going to go through the cycle on a 2-minute beep, on a 2-minute time cycle, and the very last minute of any of the cycles, the Magic Closer will beep, alerting that you have a minute before the door closes, which you can go and turn off the unit by pressing the button and holding, or simply advancing it, pressing it once, and advancing through those different cycles. It will begin to beep faster on the very last 30 seconds. Again, giving you as much notice as possible, the door is going to close. It's getting ready to close, folks. Wow. No hands. It's magic.